Hello guys, welcome to KB Tutorials. So in this tutorial, we are going to get started with Tyco. So which is an open source automation tool provided by ThoughtWorks. So in order to install this open source Tyco, you need to have Node.js installed in your machine. So I have developed two videos in my playlist where I have shown how we can install the Node.js and how we can set the path, and also I have shown how if there is some issue is coming in installing this Tyco, how we can resolve that in the second video I have shown. So once you have the Tyco installed, so how we can get started, here I am going to show. So just open the command prompt and type something like Tyco. So it will open the Tyco command prompt here. So here we are starting the recordings now. Simply just type open browser. So open browser will open our browser. As of now, Tyco is supporting only Chrome browser, guys. So as you can see in the backend, so once I type this command in the backend, the Chrome browser is getting loaded. So I'll just give something like go to. So this will navigate to the given URL that we have given. So I'll give something like go to google.com. So now you can see in the backend that particular URL is getting navigated. So once it is successful, this is coming. So here we are not using any implicit wait and page load, as you can see here. So this will be automatically taken care by Tyco, which is a major advantage of using this automation tool, where you will perform end-to-end operations in Chrome. Okay, so let me type something here. Okay, so how do I do? Simply use something like, right, let me use Tyco automation. Now you could see we got it and it passed. Now let me, I want to see the results, so let me use something like press something like enter. Now you could see we got the results, right? So this is how we can open a browser and go to the URL and writing something into the web page without even identifying it. If you have observed properly, I am not identifying any selector here. This is a major advantage, guys. And this is a, since it is basic tutorial, I am not going so deep into it, so I'll simply use this close browser to come out of it. So now you can see it come out, right? So if I use something like code command here, whatever the actions that we have performed, opening the browser, go to the URL and writing something here, and pressing the enter, all these things are formed as a code which will be automatically generated by Tyco. So now I wanted to save this code into a file so that I can reuse this. This is our second point, saving to a file. Okay, so that can be done like this. Code, let me use some file name here, give as Tyco beginning beginner dot js. JS is a extension, guys, that is a JavaScript. Okay, so it got saved. So how do I know it got saved or not? Simply go to the path and refresh it. Now you could see it got saved. Okay, here Tyco beginners. So here I am in this Tyco command prompt, right? So in order to come out of it, simply use exit. So it came out. Now I have this file which code has been generated. How do I need to run it? Npx Tyco, here Tyco beginners.js. You don't need to type completely, you just type 2-3 keyword, 2-3 letters, then press tab. The file will automatically get selected. If you press enter, this will be executed in the headless mode, that means no browser mode. First I'll show you in browser mode. Simply you add this keyword called observe. So now what happens is like it will open in a normal mode. It will load the browser, which is Chrome browser. It will type the data that we have given. As you can see here, it is typing. Now you could say identified and typing. It will press the enter and it will close that operation that we have performed. Okay. So this is how we can run the Tycho script using the command, guys. npx tycho npx space tycho space your file name. If you want to run it in head mode, that means using the browser, use observe keyword. If you don't want to run this using what I can say head mode, that means headless mode you want to run, that means all the operation will be happen in the backend. Simply use this one, npx tycho, this one. Okay, you don't need to add observe keyword here, and which will be happened without the browser. So this is a headless mode. This is one of the major advantage of Tycho. So as you can see, same operations has been performed but not load in the browser. Okay, so these are the things that we have learned in this tutorial, and do watch all the tutorials on this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.